Yeah, I'm ready to do this stage 1 kit on my man jump. Like I said in the last video, you already know we getting active. We got the whole carb right here. We can't reject his stock carb because that's a Harbor Freight engine. But we about to get busy real quick. But before we start on the stage 1, we about to see what's up with my man belt.
You wanna try and rip that off real quick?
Hold on. Oh, so this needs to come off.
Yeah, yes.
Where? Okay, let me see something real quick. How? Okay, oh, I see this. See everything. Can it just? That's not a good.
I mean, I can get the belt off, see?
So.
But just this piece needs to come back off.
But. I say try it, but that shit's still on. That shit, I ain't never had to mess with nothing like that with them stock clutches. I ain't never had no stock clutch on my torque converters. So yeah, we ready to just get into it. Take the air box off, stock air box. Alright, stock air box off. Got his carb right here. But yeah, we ain't even gonna waste no time with this one. We just gonna give my man a whole new carb. We gonna turn the fuel off so we can drain the gas.
So watch out for that one.
We're gonna take this choke lever off. Gasket off. Another gasket. Alright, now we got the linkages we gotta remove. So we just probably pull it out just a little bit and then put some throttle on it. And then once you just kinda, just pop that out like that, depending on how old the whole setup is, will tell how easy everything is to come out. But yeah, I just see all this right. The box off, now we got the linkages and shit off, so now we can really, now we just gotta take the gas line off. So what we gonna do with that, I'm gonna just plug it up for real. We ain't gonna do too much taking off no gas tanks or nothing like that. So we're just gonna get a bucket. Gonna put it under.
Come here, bud.
And then we probably just gonna have to angle it a certain way.
Don't put too much because he's over there.
And this is what I'm gonna do, y'all. This is a little method when y'all draining or trying to rejet or do whatever, get you a mountain stud. I mean, you can either get you a mountain stud or you can just mount the fuel line somewhere to where it doesn't just drip out. So we getting the fuel line off right now. So you gotta get that a little bit of pull off, and then when it pops off, we gotta plug it up. Plug it up. Plug it up with your mountain stud. And when it's plugged up, just sit that somewhere. It's still gonna leak a little bit. We can just have it.
Alright, literally right up
It's
there.
gonna stay. It should stay. So now, yeah, this carb right here, that's a stock carb from, oh nah. Yeah, that's his stock carb right there. And what we're doing is we're putting a non-EPA. This is an EPA approved carb because this engine is a Harbor Freight engine originally that was meant for, you know, cutting grass and all that shit. So they're not gonna have a carb that can be modified to, you know, do different things. Yeah, so we took a non-EPA carb from a clone engine.
Seth, look, yo, this is my idle screw. All the way up there.
It was up?
There's no other screw on here.
Oh yeah, I know, yeah, for sure.
That's
yeah.
the idle screw right there.
Hold on, and then you got,
it's a whole different carburetor.
yeah, it's the same. It's just like, you see how the fuel screws right there on the non-EPA? Because on a non-EPA, you're able to just tinker with it, you know, do everything you want with it. Because, you know, you're not trying to follow emission standards and stuff. We ready to just get straight to it. So what I'm ready to do is put the stock emotion tube in there, because with the stock E-tube, it just keeps it it gives it a good idle. Cause you don't want to up on the E-tube unless you're running a crazy build or something. But my man just got a fairly stock 212 with a torque converter, so we not gonna do too much with it, but we're just gonna make it able to breathe. Now we got our main jet. Now I need a small, yeah, you need you a real skinny flathead for these jets. So yeah, when you rejetting these, bro, the E-tube is basically your pilot jet. And they just, you don't screw these in or nothing, they just pop in. And then you got your main jet on top that just pops in. And then you screw the main jet in the threads. Main jet is installed with the new E-tube. Well, the new main jet is installed with the same E-tube for a good idle and all that. That's actually what I'm ready to do. Another thing, I think the E-tube is too rich for that bike. That's why I kept dying the other day. But now,
you just slide that on.
Just slide this one on. And then, so now y'all, we got a stage 1 kit with the filter and the adapter inside. Pretty like. And we could, I put a zip tie on all the mines when I do that, cause I don't know what tool can get my man down for real. So let's just put everything back and start it up. And then that's a good swap, because usually people be like, you gotta change the studs so the longer jump can fit right there and all that. Nah, this a good. We got the throttle inside, and then you get the return line back in, the return spring back in place, linkage is back in place, so now he could work his throttle. Get the gas line on there quickly, so you don't gotta make no more mess. No. On. Bolt it on. Where's the other one at?
How you think we gonna tighten this joint right here?
See what I do? You wanna know what I do? Yeah. And it won't go nowhere. His linkages look good. My man ready to start his bike for the first time with the stage 1. So we gonna go ahead and roll it outside and go and test that out and see what it do. So now what we gonna do, we gotta make sure that idle, probably to back it out just a little bit so we can see where the bike wants to idle. We about to see what it do. Oh yeah, first pull, yeah. First pull. Let me adjust that idle though. First pull.
That sounds about right there.
That sounds right there, my man. Stage 1.
Give it a few minutes.
Probably, yeah. Get about stage 1, reset. That don't hit. That don't hit. Yeah. That don't gonna hit. Oh yeah, it's gonna hit. You wanna see what it do? Yeah, my man want. Yeah. Yeah. That joint hitting. Oh, it died?
Yeah, it just died.
Oh,
All that and then died.
Let's see. We gotta see what that problem is. We're gonna throw the filter on there to see if it like. Now we gotta
Watch out for that exhaust.
I know, that's what I got right here.
That's why I don't like fenders, because you can reach up under the back of it.
So just idle up. Let's see what it do. And then it's a new car, maybe. You hear that jump whistle? What is that whistle? That jump move. Let's see if it keep idling. It's on. It's on. It's still on.
It didn't bog at all.
Let's see what let me see what that don't do.
It's blocked.
Already. This shit just real line different though.
It's liking the filter.
It's liking the filter, that's what I'm saying. That little stage one definitely, bro. You wanna know what I wanna do, bro? No.
When it gets warm out, I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna start doing.
Oh yeah, we're gonna build,
summer.
yeah, for sure. Yeah, as far as we know, my man stage one done. I'm gonna put a smaller sprocket. Ready to put the sprocket on this jump. Now once we get the sprocket on there, I'm gonna actually take it out. My apologies, I need to work on these outros, man, and intros, to be honest, man, with these vlogs and stuff now that I'm doing. But a day in the life of MiniBikes part 3 on the way. Stay tuned for the next one, because that's about to drop right after, because it's already done. I couldn't fit everything in one little video, but yeah, y'all. I really enjoy doing this though, because I feel like I really need to start schooling a lot of people. Shoot, schooling myself too, because mind you, I just got in this mini bike stuff. But hey, the more you learn about somebody. Y'all thought I've been doing this for years, right? The way the garage looking and all that. But yeah, we ready to rock.